daw si Ella ng mga pinamili niya. Ano?
Got a Hello Kitty. Well, it's not Hello Kitty skirt, but it has like these characters on it. Has Hello Kitty, and then it has and it has like a squirrel. Wait, it's Hello Kitty and Friends, and then it has this like I don't know what it is, and this thing, but I don't know what it is.
Everything you don't know what it is.
And they're all from H&M. It's a black denim skirt. It is $15.99. One of them was paid by a H&M gift card that I got for my birthday.
Yep.
And a blue jumper. I really liked it, so we had to get it. It's blue jumper, also from H&M. $14.99. And then another skirt that's also from H&M.
Last one, isn't it?
Yeah, and it is $4.50. And that's it for the clothes. This one's for me. Jollibee. It's like a hard. Yeah, it's an Indian sweet. Yeah, it's an Indian sweet. We got it at the Indian sweet shop, and I really liked it, so we got it again. But it's from the Asian store. No. And then I have my dino, but it's not from there. I got it a while ago. This one's also for me. Ooh, ooh, it lights up. Did not know that. Didn't know it light up. It's a flash pop. It's like a push pop though, but it has a light in it, which I didn't know. Didn't know it had a light. Can I have the next one? Where's the light? Lightsaber. And another thing for me. Mogu Mogu. Blackcurrant. I thought it was blueberry. Blackcurrant. And another one for me. A melon Mogu Mogu. It's the same as the other one, but it's just a different flavour. Nothing else is for me. But there's Pansy. How do you say it?
Pancit bihon mix.
Pancit bihon mix.
We have them because my cousin from, well, she is from Philippines, but she already lives abroad.
She lives
She's
abroad.
coming over tomorrow.
Yay!
Yes.
She's your honey. She's your niece. She's my cousin.
Yes, your cousin.
My cousin coming over tomorrow.
Which you haven't met yet.
No. And she's older than EJ. EJ's 27.
Yes.
Yeah. EJ's 27 and she's older than EJ. And then another one of those pancit bihon mix. Is that how you say it?
No, 28. EJ's 28.
EJ's 28.
Yes. So we're gonna cook on the pancake tomorrow.
Yay! I'm helping you.
I don't know. Don't know yet.
Oh, also there's Guinness flavour seasoning
You can say it.
and Guinness flavour mixer,
Seasoning.
seasoning,
Seasoning mix.
and even more Guinness flavouring, and more, and more, and more.
You like that one, yeah?
Yeah, put it on.
Because it's savory.
Yeah, because it's savoury.
Mm-hmm.
I put it on. I put it on scrambled egg, but only the one that Dad makes because Mum already puts it on. Puts it in it. No more. Empty. My dino. His name's Dino because he's a dino. I painted him on my laptop I got for Christmas. We also got donuts yesterday. Where did we go yesterday? I forgot what it's called.
I don't know.
It was Fos Park. It was Fos Park. They had like these foxes around. They called them Fos Foxes. And one of them was called Lila. Because that was the only one I could remember. That's the only one I can remember. Because I didn't look at any other names that they had. These are the donuts. We already had 3. I had we had 3 smiley ones. They were filled with custard. I had one, Epi had one, and then Mama had one. My eyes itchy.
Done?
Yeah, what you cooking? Oh, I
Nothing.
thought you were cooking something.
Rice.
Right.
Right.
This was for my
Ella,
foot
Epi
spa and hands.
Epi got this.
Spam.
Spam. You want rice and spam for dinner?
Yeah, but it's not cooked properly.
I will recook it when the rice is ready, okay?
Okay. Good. Wait, it's fried.
Alright, sort out your
Spam and rice are for Mondays.
Sandali lang ha, at mahaba-haba na pala ito. Saglit lang po.
Flash.
Tingnan nyo to. Kasi magpapalit kami ng color. Yan. Mag-change kami ng color kasi mag-change kami ng couch. Yung couch, ano siya, parang burgundy yung couch. So, nag-search kami. Ang color daw ng ano is parang grayish, blue grayish. Ang magandang color sa wall pag meron kang burgundy na couch.
Say hi to old friends and new memories. Say hi to fresh air and time together. Relaxing, however you want.
Which one first?
Hi to a host.
I've had it,
Do
is it?
that.
Yeah, leave a gap. Don't do them next to each
Like
other.
that.
Yeah, can do.
Say hi to host seasons today.
Don't squeeze some. You squeezing?
No.
Yeah, a bit more. 'Cause it's
Bit more.
yeah.
Yeah? And then this? Here?
Beyond the beaches
Squeeze it a bit.
lie the secrets of an island rich in culture.
Bit more.
Discover the magic of this Balearic beauty.
Not doing anything, babe.
Squeeze it.
Mallorca, Jewel of the Med, starts
There you go.
Thursday at 8 on Channel 5 and Wi-Fi.
Okay. You want to squeeze it? It's quite nice.
Yeah, that one is nice. Yeah, that one, babe. What color is that?
Let it dry and see. Oh,
I like that. Yeah.
It's lovely, isn't it?
Yeah. That one.
a lot about myself in these 8 weeks actually. I've
That's too light.
been happy on my own and I'm more of an adult now.
This one is fine as well, but I like this.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
Oh, I've been pointing at the floor.
Yeah, I want that. Yeah, this one, babe. I like that one as well, but this one's much
Yeah,
better, I
it's
think.
really nice. That
Yeah,
one.
that one. Look,
Every pound that I may have lost
isn't it?
has been a hard fight.
See what it's like when it's dried.
Yeah.
All their hard work, we're giving them a touch of TV.
Isingin natin si Ella. Ano na eh? Ano oras na? 8:50 na. So, magna-9 naman na siya. Ha? Hello! Sandali ha? Tayin ko muna to. Isingin natin si Ella. Sandali. Isingin natin. Buksan ko yung cortina para makita niya. Yung kanyang blinds. Buksan natin. Tcharan! Ang mga friendship niya nandun. Hindi naman ganun kakapal yung snow. Pero sabi mamaya, mag-snow pa din daw mamaya. Yun ang sabi. Yung kung totoo. Ayan ang makikita dito sa sa bedroom ni Ella. Ella, George! 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 Ella, George! Wakey, wakey! Ella! Ella. Ella George. Si Jollibee, oh. Ay, Jollibee. Galing kay Dico. Snow! May snow, darling. May snow. Ayun ang kanyang lala. Kanyang lala. Ayun. Tabi niya yung lala niya. Kala niyo dyan, ha? Bantay-bantayan ni lala. Ang ganda ni Lala dyan, oh. Ninyo, yung mga vitamins niya. Lala, come. There, oh. Snow, oh. Get the snow.
Oh, it's snowy.
Careful. Do you want to go outside? Check it. But you need to put leggings.
Look at the football.
Ha?
Look at the football.
Ayun yung football, oh. Saan ba? Ayun. Kita nyo? Where is it? Where is it? Oh, it's a cat. Oh, there. Ayun yung football. Labas daw siya. You wanna go out? Oh, come on in. Let's go out. Ayun na si Ella. Oh, he's going to go out. I'm gonna get my kunin ko yung aking slippers. Nakakainis kasi yung yung anong tawag dyan, yung selfie, yung phone stand ko, hindi ko makita. Dalawa, hindi ko makita. Ang gulo, oh. Tingnan yung ginawa dito ng anak kong babae, oh. Bakit ginawa niyang ganito? Sabi ko, pangalan lang na maliit. Kaya mo na nga, kanya naman yan. Diyos ko, ano ba yan? Hindi ko. Hirap. Galing ko to. Ay, meron nga pala akong ganito. So, ayan. Labas tayo. Tingnan natin ang snow. Basang-basa. Basa! Wet yung snow. The snow.
Look, all the snow's come up over there.
Hindi siya oh. Hindi yan magsasettle yung snow. It won't settle. Because it's wet. Very, very no? Ella?
Oh, come
Hindi siya yung ganong kakapal naman. Okay lang. Pero, sabi, mag-i-snow pa rin. Ewan ko. They said it's gonna be snowing again today.
11 p.m.
Yeah, and it will be a lot. That's what they said on the Met Office.
On Wednesday, there will be 1 inch of snow.
When?
No, actually, no. Dad said 1 millimeter.
You're wet na. Ayan na.
Look over here.
Ayan siya. Hello. Hello.
Look, this is wet. This is wet.
Mm.
It's like the slushy texture
Yeah, I can see.
that I have.
Hello. Yun si Oscar. Kikita niyo ba yung pusa namin?
Oscar, you won't like it out here.
No, it's cold, Oscar. You
Yeah.
freeze.
You'll be an
Ay.
icicle.
Ewan ko, hindi niyo nakikita si yung si SpongeBob ni Ella nandun.
I made him.
Yun si SpongeBob. Nakita niyo ba?
Where's he? I can't see. Oh, yeah, he is.
Ayan, na si SpongeBob.
That's not nice for SpongeBob. I can make one. There's a lot more up here. I'm gonna make a snowman.
Your hand will be really, really cold, Ella. It's up to you. Don't tell me my hands are cold. Dirty yan, be. Ala yung car nagbukas kasi sa phone ko.
You see the windshield?
Hmm. Dali ha, maglagay ako ng gloves kasi gumaw.
Look.
Ayan siya.
No.
Kaya daw siya snowman basa yung snow, hindi siya yung mahirap yan, I don't know. Bahala siya.
This is the only chance I can make a snowman.
Okay, go. It's wet though. Don't do it too big.
Why?
You can't do it big, Ella. Just do a small one and then wait for later. Probably it will snow a lot later and then you can do a big one.
Tomorrow morning.
Yeah. Tingnan nyo, natutunaw yung snow. Ito yung delikado. Yan yung delikado, yung natutunaw yung snow. This is the part that is like really, it's like dangerous, isn't it? Because the snow is like melting. It's gonna be slippery, isn't it? Yeah. Ayan na, natutunaw yung snow. But it will snow again later, wasn't it? Will it snow?
11 o'clock.
Just
Huh? Yeah. I can't.
you mean you can't?
Hello!
How are you?
Yeah, good. You?
Good.
When did you come back? Isn't it? Yeah. tingnan nyo.
Yours.
I go black. Isn't it? You know? Ayan, nakikita nyo? Oh. I'm already brown, babe.
My
What?
cup won't fit into the cup holder.
Just hold it
Oh,
there.
just hold it.
Because I need to put it in a box on the side.
I don't know where it is.
No, it's on the... Not now.
Okay.
But at home, when we get home.
Okay.
There's a
It
box.
leaves, no, we're gonna leave it here until we pick you up, and then you do it when we get home. How's that? Alright, kiss. Play us.
Love you.
Love you. Do good. Careful, Biha. Na, hinatid namin siya dito sa ano niya, sa theater niya. Ano siya, may rehearsal siya. May rehearsal ang baby ko. May rehearsal. So, ayan. Mamaya-maya namin siya susunduin. Hanggang ano yata, ayan siya. 2 o'clock. Oo. 3 oras sila ngayon. Yun. Kaya 3 oras sila ngayon. Dapat ata bilang ko siya ng ano, yung pang cover ng ano niya. Ng anong tawag dyan? Ng kanyang straw. Titingin ako. Merong gumawa ng ano, ng snowman. Maya sandali kasi may bata eh. Sandali, tingnan natin yung snowman, nakakatawa. Yan, nakita nyo? Ayan, snowman. May snowman gawa na snow. Yan na. Tunaw na yung nasa daan. Pero sabi mamaya mag-snow ulit, and this time yata makapal. Ito kagabi to eh. This is last night, isn't it? The snow last night. 9 o'clock yata yun. So mamaya meron ulit, mga 11 o'clock daw yun ang sabi. Mas makapal. Ayun ang pangit, ang dumi. Bahay ng classmate ni Ella, ang laki. Kasamang ano yung office. Tingnan nyo oh. Yan ang nakakatakot eh. Kaya ayoko nag-i-snow eh. Dati gusto ko eh. Kasi alam mo yung first time ka nakakita ng snow. Pero ito, tinan nyo. Punta kami ng ano, Asda. Nasa Asda kami. Yak. Basa. Hi, mga babs, mami. Maglalagay na naman tayo ng sinampay dito sa kusina. Kasi like what I said, pagka ganitong winter, hindi yan natutuyo yung mga sinampay. Kaya makikita nyo laging may sinampay ako dito. Tapos, ayan, hindi maganda ang weather. Naulan ng weather. Nag-snow kanina ng konti, pero yung snow na ano, yung slate yata yung tawag nila yan dyan. Kasi basa yung snow. So, pag bagsak, tunaw na. Yun ang makikita mo. Pinaghalo-halo mo na lang yung ano, paghahalo-haloin ko na lang yung mga pinagkukuha ko mga webs kasi hindi naman ako masyadong nag-video. So, kaya ayan, ganyan tayo. Pag wala akong pasok, ako naglalaba. Pero pag may pasok ako si tatay, si asawa ang naglalaba. Ang madalas na naglalaba. Pag wala lang akong pasok, doon ako natulong. Yan. Nanonood ako, kaya lang may narinig ako na ito nga, nag-ano pa na ng labahin si tatay. Kaya ako na rin nag-ano. Ayan, tinuloy ko na rin. Kasi may trabaho yun. Back to work yun siya. Ako naman, 7 days off. Pero ano na lang, today, so Friday, balik na ako ng work. Sa Friday. Ito ang ginagawa ko ngayon. Nagsasampay tayo. Yan, puro sinampay na naman tayo today. Kasi naglalaba. hindi tayo naglaba, maiipunan tayo mga bebs. Maiipunan. Ito bagay ito kay tatay. Yung mga jumper. Yung kung bakit hindi siya madalas masuot ng jumper. Maramig naman. Bagay sa kanya. Yan. Makadami. Hello. It's there already. I just didn't do it because
Yeah, that's here as well. Look.
yeah, I saw. What is that? Is that food coloring you think?
It does look like food colouring.
Is it not?
It looks like it. I don't think you have yellow.
But we don't have yellow. We have red.
Okay. You look, just a quick splash of that stuff and it's off.
It's gone.
Anything else, don't worry.
Brilliant then.
It's a miracle. You put sugar in.
There you go. Yeah. I have. Ayan, sandali lang. Hi, nakakainis. Nag-ano ako, di ba? Inano ko to. Gusto ko siyang what do you call this? Yung i-charge ko siya ba? Hindi siya nag-charge. Visit. Tinapon ko na yung yung isang, kasi medyo may yung parang na-pull out na ganun. Yung sa dulo nung nung charger. Yung ginaganon, pinaka, nakalimutan ko tawag yung para patoy-toy. Pinapasok sa telepono. Yun. Visit na yan. Hindi siya nag-charge talaga. Nakakaasar. Tapos, nakita niya naman, ako bihis na. Nag-freshen up na ako. Kami dalawa na ilan, nag-freshen up na kami. Kasi nga, baka mamaya, yan si tatay, bigla-bigla na kasing yan. Laki ng braso. Macho. But anyways, yun nga, bigla-bigla na lang yan na magyayaya. Sabi niya, punta tayo sa ganito, punta tayo sa ganyan. Kasi nga, nag-aayos siya ng aming bahay. Siya yung nagpipintura, namin ni-renovate, hindi naman renovation, pero parang inaano lang namin yung mga gustong baguhin. Yun. So, kaya ganyan. Ang ating, buhay. So, tinry kong gamitin ulit itong mic. Tingnan natin kung okay siya. Kumakain na si Ella. Tapos, kanina umaga, binigay niya sa akin ito yung kalahati ng kanyang cake. Sa, Chinatown tong cake na to eh. Sabi niya kalahati lang doon kaya niya kainin. Alauna na eh. 1:25 na dito ng tanghali. Tanghalian niya? Tanghali ba yan? Hapon na. Parang ganyan. Tanghali. Ito meron pa to. Hindi naman ako gutom kasi. Di ba kanina? Kumain kasi ako ng kanina eh. Ng tinapa at saka ng kanin. Kaya hindi ako masyadong gutom. Gusto nang kakainin ko. Tapos si Ella kumakain ng pancit canton. Diba? Yung may kalamansi. Yun ang bet niya eh. Kalamansi. Nanonood ako mga bets ng The Well. Nakakaano? Others? Buhay pa pala ang Brunhildo. Sabi na, buhay pa yun. Habulin niya yun siya ng ang tubo ko juice. So, ito na nakakainin ko. Pag nagutom ako, magprito ako ng ng turon. Gumawa akong turon eh. Turon. Pinanonood ko, nakakatakot mga bebs. Ang dali lang ha. Para akong buang mga bebs. Naka-mic ako, akala ko naka-mic ako. Kasi naka-on naman ito. Yun pala, dapat galawin ko dun sa ano, na yung mic wired. Pero bakit siya mic wired? Kasi wireless ito eh. Pero mic wired. Hindi ko mag-gets. Pero anyways, ayan. Okay na siya. Daldal ako ng daldal kanina. So, medyo mahina doon. Kasi hindi ko alam. Naguluhan ako. Naguluhan ang aking ano. Hindi ko alam na hindi pala siya nakaano dun sa mic. Kaya, ayun sa Ella. Ang galing ng kasina. Kasi mga mga pagkain. Ayan. Say hi.
Hello.
Hello. How are you feeling now? Better. Kasi ano siya, last night, yung ano niya, yung back ng neck niya. Sabi niya masakit. Akala ko noon, nung una, naglolo ko na guilty tuloy ako kasi akala ko nag-ano lang siya. Pero hindi naman to, tapos, nung umakyat siya, sabi ng tatay niya, umiiyak. Kaya umakyat ako, na-feel talaga, guilty talaga ako. Kumain siya ng pansit canton. Amoy pansit canton, your breath, amoy pansit canton. Canton. Smells of pansit canton. Amoy pansit canton yung bukanga niya. Ang ganda na outfit check. Dali oh. Outfit check. Ang cute oh. Can't see. Go over there. Ang cute. H&M yan eh. H&M.
I'm wearing the new outfit from H&M.
Hello Kitty siya.
I know.
And her friends. Hello Kitty and friends. Yan ang kanyang ano.
Cat is. Double cat is.
Ay, how come?
Yes.
Okay. Alam mo, suot-suot niya ewan kung bakit. Ayan. So, saglit lang ha. Ako'y manonood. Tatapusin ko aking palabas. Nasa down kami. Ayan o. Portable na heater. Ha? Burgundy? Yeah. Ang gusto niya. Teddy bear. Itchy. Ayun, ang ganda niya. Kano to?
I want this.
20 pounds. Mahal naman. Ito yung nilalagay mo sa likod mo para nakaupo ka. Pag nakaupo ka doon sa bed. Maganda yan
And
pag
then
sa
you
bed.
like, my shoulder hurts. Come on.
Ang ganda oh.
Wait, I see something.
Come here. May iba-ibang mirrors. Oh. Naman presyo dito. Okay naman. Ay, meron kami. Got that one. Look at this, babe. Minnie Mouse. Minnie Mouse. It's like Minnie Mouse. Look. Ang ganda. Meron kaming ganyan eh. Nasa kusina. Ganyan yung ano na, yung clock. Nasa yung screw. Okay. Ayan. Marami dito sa Danone. Marami kang makakita dito.
Mama, there's a sheep one.
Oh yeah. Shark. Shark, sheep.
Let's go.
Gusto niya na pala palitan yung kanyang ano. Before ka na. Ang ganda nito. Ayan. Ganda. Mga ilaw-ilaw. Yung mga fans eh. Diba? Ganda nun.